Right now, somewhere in the world, a computer is guessing your password. Not a person, a machine trying billions of combinations a second. This is how hackers actually steal passwords, the real techniques. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to make yours nearly unbreakable. Let's start with the most basic attack and why it works terrifyingly well. The brute force. A computer simply tries every possible combination. A, then B, then AA. Relentlessly, billions of guesses every second. A short password, say 6 lowercase letters, falls to this in seconds. There just aren't enough combinations to slow the machine down. But here's the magic of length. Every extra character multiplies the possibilities. A long password turns seconds into billions of years. This is the single most important thing to understand. Length beats complexity. A long, simple phrase crushes a short jumble of symbols. Next attack, the dictionary. Hackers know you don't pick random letters, so they don't guess randomly either. They feed in lists of the most common passwords, real words, names, and every predictable pattern people actually use. Password: 123456. Your pet's name, your favorite team. If a human could easily think of it, it's already on their list. And here's a nasty twist. Swapping an A for an @ symbol or an E for a 3. They know all those tricks too. The substitutions fool no one. Now the most powerful attack of all, and it doesn't involve guessing your password. It involves stealing it from someone else. When a company gets hacked, millions of passwords leak. Those lists are traded and sold across the internet. Yours may already be on one. Now the attacker doesn't guess. They simply take your leaked password and try it everywhere else. Your email, your bank, your everything. And this is where most people get destroyed, because they reuse the same password across dozens of sites. One leak from one forgotten website, and the attacker now has the key to your entire digital life. This is called credential stuffing. Then there's phishing, the attack that skips cracking entirely by simply tricking you into typing your password onto a fake page. A convincing email, a familiar-looking login screen, a moment of haste. You type your password straight into the attacker's hands. So now you know how they win. Let's make sure they never win against you. Here's your defense. Defense 1. Make every important password long. Aim for passphrase. 4 or 5 random words strung together. Long, memorable, and brutal to crack. Defense 2. And this is the big one. Never reuse passwords. Every account gets its own, so one leak can never unlock the rest. But nobody can remember 100 unique passwords. So you don't. You use a password manager. It generates and stores a different impossible password for every site, locked behind one master key. You remember one. It remembers the rest. Defense 3, the ultimate safety net. 2-factor authentication. A second step, usually a code on your phone, beyond just the password. With it switched on, even if an attacker steals your perfect password, they still can't get in without that second code in your pocket. This single setting stops the overwhelming majority of account takeovers dead. If you do one thing after this video, turn it on everywhere. And Defense 4. Slow down. The phishing attack only works when you're rushed. A calm, suspicious mind is almost impossible to trick. So let's put it together. Long, unique passphrase, a password manager, 2-factor everywhere, and a healthy suspicion of anything that rushes you. Do those 4 things, and you go from easy prey to a target so hard that almost every attacker simply moves on to someone easier. Because that's the real secret of staying safe online. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be harder to hack than everyone else. If this made you safer, subscribe and go turn on 2-factor right now. Real tech, zero hype every week.